There we have it, guys, the 2003 Ferrari 360 Spider. I've been looking at this car forever, and here it is, and we're gonna get it. It does have some minor dings and dents, but the wheels contrast the car so much, and it is in overall good condition. Nice V8 engine, 3.6 liter, and notice that titanium exhaust, which is worth about $10,000 alone. Definitely a clean title, or salvage title, but a clean car overall. It does have undercarriage damage, like I mentioned, rebuilt title from Kentucky, and it is valued at $74,000. But this is a salvage auction, and let's get it. Let's start bidding on it.
Sold on approval.
What is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. We are out here outside. It's fairly cold in the Midwest. As you guys seen, we were just ordering the Ferrari for the channel. We were gonna do a Ferrari build, and I'm so disappointed. The auto auction company, which I'm not gonna name, they delivered the wrong car. And by wrong car, I mean definitely the wrong car. See, Ferraris are usually red, bright yellow, and they definitely attract a lot of attention that I want for me and my channel. And this car they delivered, guys, I can't believe it. Somebody messed up. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys this car right now. You see the trails from the tow truck and everything. Well, if you guys are ready, I'm gonna show you this car, and it's crazy how this can happen. I hope it doesn't happen to you guys, okay? Y'all ready? Check that car out. What the hell is this doing in my yard? What is this? Guys, what the hell is this? It seems like it's a Hyundai Elantra. Let's check the year on this thing. It's a 2003. What the hell is this, man? It's I can't believe this, man. I don't even know. It said it starts and drives. I mean, it seems fairly clean. Like, what the hell is that, man? What happened over here? Somebody vomited? What do we got over here? Some kind of battery for something, man. I just hope this thing doesn't blow up in my face. I mean, look at this thing, man. That right there itself is a salvage title. Anyway, it's ridiculous how this is acceptable, how this can happen. I mean, what am I gonna do? I gotta call the auction yard. I gotta ask them where the hell my Ferrari is, and if they don't give me my Ferrari within the next day or two, I'm gonna press charges, and we're gonna take it to the highest level of authority. Yo, I hope you guys know I'm definitely kidding about this whole Ferrari delivery. If you guys are really mad or really pissed off, go ahead, dislike this video. But before you dislike this video, consider subscribing, because with this car, we are gonna be taking care of it. We're gonna be fixing it up, and we are gonna be selling it for profit, okay? It's gonna be our channel's first kind of rebuild, kind of fixer-upper vehicle that we're gonna flip for some money. Now, I definitely flipped some wheels before. Back in the day, I've been always flipping wheels, making money on flips. It's time to move up into the automotive world and flip vehicles. Oh, hey, Dad. This car, I'm gonna do a walk around real quick, tell you guys the pros, the cons, what I'm planning to do on this car to increase its value, to make it look a little bit more appealing to a buyer, potential buyer at least, okay? Now, let's start off by brushing this snow off the vehicle, and then we'll show you the ropes. All right, on this first part, I just wanted to make a quick intro about the car, and there it is right behind me, guys. So stay tuned, and for the next video, I'm gonna walk through everything inside and outside the car, what we have to work on. There's definitely a few things that we have to replace. Obviously, there's gonna be budget-friendly fixes, and then hopefully within the next couple weeks, we can sell this car and deliver the old lady her money that she deserves. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing down below, and we'll see you on the next video.
I ain't here for the money.